Hello. To record your computer screen with free, light, and easy-to-use software, I present to you one of the best choices, which is FlashBack Express. So to download it, we open our browser, search for FlashBack Express. Most probably it will be the first result of the search. We go to their page. Okay, here the company that produces the software, at the beginning it promotes for their pro version, which will be free for like 3 or 4 days and has a watermark on the recording. So this is not our target in this video. So we go down, we see here screen recorder FlashBack Express, and to mention here the formats, we have the MP4, which is the most common video file extension or format. So get Express free. We'll click it, the download will start. Okay, I will download it again. As you can see, it's a light application, only 24 megs. So now, after we have downloaded it, we go to install it. Okay, this is our desktop, so double click the installation file. Next, accept the license. Next, create shortcut on the desktop, yes. Worth to mention, now 2 shortcuts have been created in our desktop. The first one, which has this green triangle, which presents the player. This one is mainly to play our video in the file format of the application. What really we need to keep this shortcut, which has this red circle, and it's FlashBack Express recorder, which will open it in a minute. So next, run FlashBack Express, which is simply running this shortcut. So finish. Okay, as we can see here, this is the main window of the application. A quick overview. We have here the record button that we'll use in a minute. As you can see, there is 2 options for voice recording. Record the microphone or record the PC sound. So we can choose like, okay, record both. So if we are recording something on the microphone and the background on the computer there is a background sound, it will be recorded as well. I can do uncheck the PC sound. Maybe I check the microphone, so the recording will be silent without any voice. Recording only the PC sound, for example the background. As well, as you can see, I can adjust the volume of the sound. So maybe microphone to the maximum, the background sound of the PC I make it to the half. Coming here, record, we have full screen, a specific window. If I opened more than one like a Chrome browser, Microsoft PowerPoint, another application, from the window I can select which of these applications to be recorded. Region, you'll be asked to specify the region which the recording will be only for that area. So for here I will take full screen. Here recordings, all our recordings that are still not deleted will be presented here. Settings, it will open more specific settings, which I see I need another video to explain every part there. Scheduling, can schedule the recording. So let's start now. We press the record button. As you see, short key Shift Control S to stop the recording. So recording have started to minimize the application. Then for example, okay, I open what I want to present. The microphone is already recorded. After I finish, I either can press the short key, which is, as we said, Control Shift S, or we go to its icon here and press stop. What do you want to do with the recording? At this stage, we just save it. The application already created a folder, FlashBack Movies, in my documents. As you can see here, the extension of the file is FBR, which is related to the application, and only the FlashBack Express can open it. Do not worry, we will present how to convert it to MP4 through this software. So here I put a name just for a mark to recognize which recording is this. For example, this is lesson 1. Then save. I go to recordings. I find my recording here. So there is an export button. A new menu appears. The first choice is MP4. Here it says plays on a wide variety of mobile devices and most PCs, can be used in HTML videos. Most common extension. We choose MP4, then OK. Most of the time keep them on default and we press export. Now as we can see, it's an MP4 format, and we can change the saving path as well the name. For example, this is math lesson 2 and save. Starts exporting. It gives you an option to, do you want to view it? Yes, no, open the file location. So I will open the file location. Now here is the file, and just to double check, it's an MP4 format. Now I open this video. As you can see, there is a yellow circle around the mouse to track it. As well, there is no watermarks on the screen. So that will be all. In the next video I will explain how to cut part of the video. See you then.